Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Christmas tree back into storage or for disposal. First, meticulously remove all ornaments, lights, and any other decorations. It's crucial that your tree is completely dry before you pack it away. This prevents mold and mildew from forming during storage. A dedicated tree storage bag can make this process much simpler and protect your tree from dust and damage. If you have an artificial tree, carefully disassemble it section by section, following the manufacturer's guide to avoid damage. For real trees, explore your local community's recycling programs. Many offer curbside pickup or designated drop-off points. Remember to remove the tree stand and any lingering tinsel or hooks before preparing it for either storage or disposal. For artificial trees, finding the right storage spot is key. Choose a cool, dry environment like a closet or attic, away from direct sunlight which can fade colors. A robust storage bag or a durable box will shield branches and lights from dust and damage. Don't forget to label your container clearly. It will save you time and effort next holiday season. Before sealing up your artificial tree for the year, do a quick double check to ensure all sections and components are safely inside. For real trees, think about repurposing branches for garden mulch or adding them to your compost pile. Participating in local tree recycling programs significantly reduces landfill waste, contributing to a greener environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.